Hey everybody, this thing here. Right now I'm staying in the nowhere. Nobody know this place. This one of the very cool place. Nobody know, and it's really nice. If you do trekking to this way, you see everything I will tell you to here. But you know, in here, just really close to Sapa town, you can see right here. Do you see this? I think you can see. I hope you can see that. And yeah, right now I'm staying in the very cool. You can see behind me this very big rocky. And I stay here in a small rocky. And yeah, just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view down here. You see the view down there. A lot cloudy, and the Sapa town, the view to the town, and also this is a Mu Cang village. I look overview to the Ta Phim village too. Ta Phim village, you can see right. I'm not sure if you can see, but down there that's in Ta Phim village, Mu Cang village, and also Soi Ho village. And down here, this is also called Sa Sen village. Sa Sen village is to behind this mountain, behind this rocky. And now I and my brother, we are doing running exercise to this place. Actually, here's really cool. I just want to show you that. And now we continue running to the Sa Sen village. So that's gonna very nice and very cool later. And if I see something new, I will take video and I show you guys. But everything just for now. And yeah, so I and my brother here, right here. So it's really nice, and thank you so much for the watch this video. I hope you see something views, something nice, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.